We here for all positivity, and y'all already know negativity will be deleted, and we don't explain or none of that. If you're being petty and asking questions, it's going to be deleted. Read the description box and they'll tell y'all. We do what works for our household, our family. It doesn't have to work for your family. Because like I said, we all about just positivity over here and motivation. That's what we stand for. That's who we are. If you love that, join our crew. And if you're not with positivity and uplifting people and being a motivation to people, then we are not the channel for you guys, because we just don't change who we are, and we're not going to apologize for it, okay?
All I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want, everything you want.
Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. Another video, grocery hauls. Just got back from Sam's and Walmart, and if I sound tired, it's because I am tired. And if I sound aggravated, it's because I am aggravated. But like I said, it's real life. You get it's just been so many people out today, and people didn't want to move out your way or nothing else. And I'm just over the day. I'm just done because I'm just tired. I'm tired, okay? I had to vent just a little bit. Y'all mamas understand. So, from Sam's, and y'all can pretty much guess where what came from. If I don't say, then like I said, you can pretty much guess it, but I'm going to do my best from telling you guys. I did not separate the stuff from Sam's or Walmart. We just kind of put everything out, okay? But the flushable wipes, y'all know came from Sam's. The Barilla pasta, the 6 boxes, 6 boxes. 12 bowls, 2 spaghetti, and 2 penne pasta, Sam's. The Velveeta 12-pack, Sam's. Cinnamon rolls by Pillsbury. You get 4 cans, which is 32 rolls. That came from Sam's, as well as the Pillsbury Crescent rolls, and it's 32 of them. And I think they come 4 or 5 packs. 4. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Sticks came from Sam's. And yes, I did get some from Walmart, but I just went on and got this because I like them for a quick snack. For myself, I got these because I was going to eat these in the car on the way home, because I haven't had anything to eat today, and it's 3:46. But I'm going to still eat them, both of them. In fact, I got me some raw walnuts. They have some pieces, and another box of, or pack of the Ritz toasted chips. Me a big thing of turtles. I got one of the Sara Lee all butter pound cake. I know a lot of people frown on these now, but I was looking for a cake in Sam's. They had none. They just had basic birthday cakes. Walmart really didn't have nothing. It's like everything was either picked over or it was stuff that I didn't want. So I just got this, and I can put me some strawberries, some fruit on, with some whipped cream, or just eat it plain with some coffee. I got another thing of Eggo waffles. These are the buttermilk. These came from Walmart. The Oreo cookies, the family pack, came from Walmart. These honey buns, it's the original. Philip asked for these. He'll want to bring some to school. And then the ice jumbo ones, that's it over here. Then moving over here, and both of these came from Sam's, of course. I was able to find catfish fillets from out of Sam's, because y'all know Walmart didn't have any. The Walmart that's in my area didn't have any today either. So I'm glad I went on and got 2 packs of them. I got a pack of the Tyson thin slice boneless skinless chicken breast, and it was saying limited time only. So I'm not sure how long they're going to have it. It was $14 at Sam's, and the original thick ones was $18. I did go ahead and get another double pack of the chicken fajitas, because I'll probably just do Alfredo with 1 pack and then some chicken and rice or something with another pack. The ones that I got yesterday are for the fajitas. And then I got some turkey breast. Some of these is just going to be for sandwiches. And then some would be for breakfast sliders for Philip for lunch. That all came from Sam's. These hot dogs or wieners, the red ones, came from Walmart. 2 more packs of the 5-pound ground beef from Walmart. And I told you guys, Jordan always divide them, put them in Ziploc bags for me. If he's not here, Riante or one of the kids will do it. And we'll be stocked up on ground beef. Again, I went to get some of the bigger packs like these, and they didn't have it. They just had these. And I'm using this today because I'm making some more chips and dip. And this is 2.5 pounds, and this was $9. So I was not paying $18 for a 5-pound pack, and I can get these. I know these are not the best for you, but hey, nowadays a lot of stuff just not good for you. This is not, okay? Breathing is not good for you nowadays. They did not have any more of the Jimmy Dean's pancakes and sausage. They had none at Sam's at all, and a lot of people was going looking for them. They do have the new Jimmy Dean. They like chicken nuggets, but they breakfast nuggets, and they sausage, egg, and cheese. And I know Philip was not going to eat those. I went to Walmart. They didn't have the Jimmy Dean, so I got these. When I go to Walmart in the other area, I'll pick up the Jimmy Dean ones. He's not going to really care much. And I have to pick up some smoked sausage because they did not have the smoked sausage there either. But I'll do that tomorrow when we go get Riante from work. I'll just run in there and get just the smoked sausage because that's all I have to get. That's on my list. I picked up another thing of the TGI Fridays loaded potato skins. Like, so this is just be for a quick meal. I was looking to see if they had them at Sam's, but they didn't. And I hope y'all was able to see that because I couldn't tell where I had the camera facing, y'all. I feel like I'm standing up sleeping. I got the 2.5 family pack of bologna. That'll last them. The all-natural butterball ground turkey. And I know one of my ladies, I just seen it in a haul, was telling me that they was recalling them. I seen her put it in the comment section. And these are for Alicia, and I just went and got this. But I know they still had them out. Usually, if a recall is in our area, they'll take them off the shelf. So I'll tell her to look into it. But by the time I seen your comment, I already had made it home. And then John picked up one of these market size, the turkey bacon wraps. I got a twin pack of Kraft cheese out of Walmart. And one of these sharp cheddar cheese Jordan picked up. I'm not sure what he's going to do with that. The breaded, boneless, buffalo style chicken wing from Walmart. 2 packs of those. Another 2-pack of the giant bunny bread. The twin pack of the King Hawaiian rolls, because I will be making some sliders for him with this. Not all of it, just some. The O'Rider French fries. The crinkle cut came from Sam's. As y'all can tell, all 3 of these came from Sam's. Then moving over here, a thing of Snapple. And this is the one that I had got before with the Snapple apple, the mango madness, and the kiwi strawberry. So you get, how many is that? 24. I'm tired, y'all. You get 24 of them.
You get 8 of each flavor.
For how much? I think it was like $18, something like that. $17. So you paying like $1 a piece. And then here's the 18-pack of the Ocean Spray, the cran apple, cranberry, and cran grape. I got 2 packs of those, so they'll have 36. I got the 250 count of the hefty plates. And y'all know I just bought some plates yesterday. That's up there. But I wanted to go ahead on and stock up. Because I know y'all love my grocery hauls and walkthroughs. If I do go to the store, I'll share it. But even if I'm just going to buy something that's not food related. But these people be in the stores too much. They don't move out your way. And then that came from Sam's. And of course, I got the Members Mark paper towels. Y'all seen these. Everybody was in Sam buying these. And it was crowded in Sam. They lines was going down the dang on aisle. People didn't want to move. They was being rude for no reason. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know what's going on with people in the world today, why they just rude and mean. I don't understand it. I can't understand it. I guess it's not for me to understand. But God bless them and more power to them. That's how I feel right now. Jordan picked up 2 zucchinis and 2 squash. That's going to be for the something he's making. I don't even know what it is. But he got 2 zucchinis and 2 squash for whatever. Some more bananas. I did get these because they are ripe. And I want some cereal tonight. And I like bananas in my cereal. I picked up 1 cantaloupe for Alicia. They didn't have the sweet ones that I always get. But this is what Sam's had. So I got it. I did remember today to get the peppermints. And these are the soft ones. So I'm going to put some out on Philip's little tray. And I like to put this in my tea. But I'm not going to keep all of them out because they'll eat all of them up. And then out of Sam's, and that came from Walmart. But out of Sam's, I got my 12-pack of tuna. Got Philip some more of these Yoplait PJ Masks yogurts. So he have enough to last him at least for the next 2, maybe 3 weeks. Because he don't bring them every single day. And plus he got Jell-O. So we'll alternate. They did have the Zatarain rice. So I went on and got it. I got 4 of the fajita season mix and 4 of the regular taco mix. 3. I got 3 of the Nora's chicken flavor fried rice, and then I got 3 of the creamy chicken. They still did not have the original chicken. I don't know what's up with that. They have, every time we go, no stores have them. I ain't go back there yet. And then from Sam's, we got 3 packs of the Bertolli Alfredo. And y'all guys keep asking me, do I make homemade Alfredo? And I do. And y'all keep asking, and I answer y'all, and y'all keep asking me. So I don't think they watching a part of the video after they ask. Or they just see it and they don't watch it to hear me. But we do make homemade Alfredo sauce normally around the holiday time. And when we start cooking around the holidays, we will be making it. But for quick meals, I go to Bertolli or the jar and I just jazz it up, okay? So please, if you just see it in my thumbnail, watch the video so you can hear me say it so you don't have to ask me in the comment section, okay? Because I do explain, all right? I do tell you, well, not explain, but I do talk to y'all. I got the paste chunky salsa in the mild. Because, of course, I'm making another one of my things. And I got the paste salsa con queso. Lord, I can't talk. Salsa con queso by Paste. And then these came from Walmart. These 2 here. This came from Sam's. These came from Sam's. The On the Border salsa con queso. And then the Monterey. What was that? What is this? Monterey Jack queso. And it's the big things. And these was like $4. Out of Sam's. And then I got the 3-pack of the Prego Traditional. I don't have to go back and get that. I got 2 more things of French mustard from Sam's and another big old thing of Hellmann's from Sam's. 1 strawberry Borden milk. And I'm surprised a lot of y'all be telling me y'all don't have Borden milk in y'all area. And then the Ocean Spray white crayon peach. A Gatorade the grape. A cranberry, Ocean Spray cran grape, and a Ocean Spray cran pineapple. I got it. I said I got it, man. I still didn't do them yet, but I'm coming back over there. The ginger stir-in paste is the Gourmet Garden, and this one is the chunky garlic, same brand. 2 of the Edwards cheesecakes, 2 of the Edwards cookie and cream, and 2 of the Edwards chocolate and cream. 2 things of apple juice for little man, excuse me, Deontay. And then I got the 18 count of the Vienna sausage, and it's just the original, and a 8-pack of the Hunt's tomato sauce. Yep, I got that. Oh, I do have to get shrimp. I forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I just didn't go get shrimp because I didn't go to the seafood place. So, smoked sausage out of Walmart. And then I got to go to the seafood place and get shrimp. But I'm pretty sure Mama not making nothing with shrimp today. I'm hoping she wasn't. Or tomorrow. Because I'm tired and I'm drained. I'm just tired and drained. But shrimp and smoked sausage is all I got left to get. I told you guys I was going to get my turkey and ham. But Jordan is going to be going back home, so he's going to get the ham that he got Well, I had picked up the ham last time and he cooked it for the holidays. So he gonna get a ham, like a bone-in picnic ham, and he gonna get the turkey when he go back to Georgia. Because when me and Riante went to Walmart the other day, they had the bone-in hams, but when we went this go around, they did not have any. They was completely sold out, and they just had the regular Spire ham, and they didn't have any turkeys. They had 3 turkeys at the Walmart in Waveland, but they were small, like really small. They wouldn't feed our household. So yeah. So that's it, y'all. So we're about to get this stuff put up. I just gave up on trying to fix that deep freezer. I'll do it Monday or something, Tuesday, whenever. I'm just going to put whatever frozen foods I got to put in there, and I'm not going to worry about it or doing nothing else at the moment. So I thank y'all for watching. You know we love you all. We appreciate y'all support. So we love y'all. Y'all stay safe, be blessed. Make sure y'all go check out the walkthroughs. Just make sure y'all check out all 3 channels. The main channel, Alicia Southern Crew, link is in the description box. Mississippi Southern Crew and Cooking with the Crew. You'll see walkthroughs, grocery hauls, cooking, every single thing that we do. And we'll see y'all later.